Welcome to Gyamvani. This is the only platform where you will find all genres of audiobook daily. So let's get started for our today's video. Have you ever felt that you are doing much less than what you can do in your life? Do you feel that your dreams are very big but you are not able to achieve them? If yes, then you have to understand that the problem is not in your dreams but in that average level at which you are stuck. We all create a limit in our life which we consider normal or average. This limit is created by our way of thinking, our habits and our fear. We keep living within this limit because we feel that this is a reality, but the truth is that this is not reality but a trap in which most people remain trapped throughout their lives and are never able to get out. This book will teach you that this average is actually your biggest enemy, and until you get out of it, you will not be able to live the life you deserve. Most of us grow up thinking that we can get only a few limited things in our life. We are taught that a contented life is the best life and be happy with what you have got, but have you ever thought that if every great person believed in this thinking, would the world be like this? Would they have been able to progress so much if APJ Abdul Kalam, Virat Kohli, Lata Mangeshkar or Steve Jobs had also thought that one should be happy with what one has got? Then would they have created history in their respective fields? They rose above their average and achieved what people thought was impossible. This is the purpose of this book, to make you understand that your average level is stopping you, and now the time has come to break it. When you read this book, you will understand why people get stuck in mediocrity. Many people do not move forward due to their fear. They are afraid of what people will say if they try and fail. Some people are afraid of change because they have become accustomed to seeing their life in the same form. Some people assume that they cannot move forward anymore because they have enough, but enough is never enough. There are two types of people in this world, one who make their life themselves and the other who live their life according to the circumstances. You have to decide which category you want to come in. This book is not a magical formula but a practical guide that will help you in achieving those goals. It will free you from the mental barriers that have limited you so far. In this, you will get small but effective tools and strategies that can completely change the way you think, work and see yourself. This book will teach you how to get big results by making small changes. You will know how to raise the level of your whole life by adopting a new mindset. These are not just inspirational things, but it is a practical roadmap that tells you how to improve yourself every day and get out of your limits. Now the time has come to leave your old thoughts and ask yourself this question: am I really living the life that I imagined? If the answer is no, then do not worry. This book is going to show you how you can recognize the hidden power within you, change your thinking, and achieve the life you really want to live. Your average life is stopping you, but not anymore. Now the time has come to break your limits, come out of your fear and step towards your dreams, because the truth is that the average sucks book for easy understanding. We have divided this summary into 9 chapters, so let's start with 1. The trap of being average. Have you ever felt that your life is going on the same track, like you are repeating the same things every day without any real excitement or change? This is not a coincidence, it is the result of your habits, your mindset and your approach towards life. Most of us do not think that we are living an average life, but the truth is that we unknowingly bind ourselves in limits and do not even try to go out of it. We often think that what we are getting is fine, but is this real success? Is this real happiness? No, it is just an illusion, a trap in which we get trapped. How we unknowingly become satisfied with less. Our upbringing, our society and the people around us teach us that a contented life is the best life and to be happy with what we have got. From childhood, we are told that wanting more than necessary is greed, and because of this we make our dreams small. We are scared that if we think big and fail, we will be satisfied. What will people say if we become successful? that is why we get into such a mindset where we live in our comfort zone and accept the life we have got instead of recognizing our real potential and moving towards our dreams. Apart from this, our habits also keep us at an average level. We keep doing the same work that seems easy to us. We take the same decisions every day that do not put us in any risk, and gradually this becomes a habit that binds us in the range of average created by us. We are able to achieve very little of our potential because we do not realize our ability. Comfort zone is the place where we feel safe. This is the mental state where we do not have to face any challenge. Here we do not have any fear, we do not have to take any risk, and we live everything in a fixed pattern. But have you ever thought that the biggest miracles, the biggest successes, and the biggest self-development always happen only when we go out of the comfort zone? If Sachin Tendulkar, Amitabh Bachchan, APJ Abdul Kalam or Elon Musk had accepted living in their comfort zone, then what would have happened? Had they done this, would they be where they are today? Never. Real success always comes to those people who overcome their fears, who are ready to take risks, and who constantly challenge themselves. Getting out of the comfort zone is not easy, but once you start doing it, you realize that real life begins from there. So what to do now? If you want to remain trapped in this trap, then do not change anything, but if you want to make your dreams come true, then you have to rise above your average. You have to understand that you are capable of much more than you think. In the next chapters of this book, we will learn how you can change your mindset, come out of your fears, and change your life from average to extraordinary. Remember, average sucks. Now the time has come to get out of it. Chapter 2: What's holding you back? Have you ever asked yourself why I am not able to move forward in my life? Many times we feel that external circumstances like lack of money, lack of time, or not getting the right opportunity are stopping our progress on the way to success. But the truth is that the biggest barrier that stops us is within us. Our thoughts, our habits, our fears, and the stories we tell ourselves over and over again are the real reasons why we live mediocre lives. If you really want to change your life, then first of all you have to understand who is stopping you. It is not the outside world but your own mindset. Until you break your limiting thinking, you cannot reach your real goal. Your life is a reflection of what you do every day. Your habits create your future. If your habits are average, then your life will also be average. We often take the thoughts and beliefs learned from childhood as true without thinking whether they are helping us to move forward or stopping us. For example, earning money is not easy. A secure job is the best. Successful people are different. I cannot be like them. These are all limitations created by the mind. We are taught these things again and again, and we take them as true without thinking. But if you start recognizing these mental barriers and breaking them, then your life can change. If you keep doing what you have always been doing every day, you will get what you have always got. If you want a change in your life, then first of all you have to change your habits. Often people talk about the fear of failure. They think that if they try to do something new and they fail, what will people say? They will laugh, criticize, or make fun of them. But have you ever thought about the fear of success? Yes, there is fear not only of failure but also of success. Many people are afraid that if they become successful, new responsibilities will come into their life. People will start expecting more from them, or their own friends and family may separate from them. They think that if I become successful, will I be able to handle that success? This fear often keeps us where we are. We think that we need a change, but when we get that opportunity, we leave it because our mind unconsciously says don't do it now, we will see later. But remember, only those who overcome this fear are able to move forward. Successful people are also afraid, but they do not let fear dominate them. They move forward despite fear. Our mind is very powerful. Whatever story we tell ourselves repeatedly becomes our reality. If you tell yourself that I don't get time, I am very busy, I don't have resources, my luck is not good, then all this becomes your reality. But if you start telling yourself that I get time because I will set my priorities right, whatever I have, I can start with that. My success depends on my hard work and thinking, not just on luck. Then your life will start changing. Remember that successful people are not different. They just program their minds differently. They tell themselves stories that help them move forward, not those that stop them. Now what you have to do is identify your mental limitations. Pay attention to what things you are telling yourself and holding you back. Analyze your habits. Are they helping you move forward or pulling you back? Face your fear. Understand that your fear is not real but an illusion of the mind. Change your thinking. Say positive and inspiring things to yourself because your thinking is your real strength. Now the time has come to change your inner self. Identify your fears, old thinking and bad habits and resolve to change them. When you start doing this, you will see that success starts coming closer to you. Remember, it is not your circumstances that are stopping you, but you are stopping yourself. Now is the time to free yourself. Chapter 3: How to Raise Your Personal Standards. Have you ever thought that the level at which your life is today is the result of the limitations you have created yourself? We all have an average, that is, the level with which we feel comfortable, which we consider normal. This is our baseline. For some people, it may be just a stable job and an ordinary life, while for some it may be a high level of success and achievements. If you want to make your life better, then you have to raise your average. Until you raise your current limits, you will remain where you are today. In this chapter, we will understand how to raise our personal standards, how to identify the difference between your current situation and desired goal, and how to change your mindset so that every challenge becomes an opportunity for you. Your average is your daily habits. It reflects the decisions you make and your lifestyle level. If you always prefer to work less, keep postponing your goals, or are afraid of failures, then it becomes your personal average. How to identify what your average is: how hard you work, what do you tolerate in your life, what do you accept, like an average job, bad health, unfulfilled dreams, how motivated do you keep yourself? Now think, will this average give you the life you want? If the answer is no, then it is time to raise your baseline. To set a new level, raise your minimum standards in every area of your life, like your income, fitness, relationships, and set better goals for self-development. Demand a higher level of commitment from yourself. Look at those people who have already reached where you want to reach. Understand their patterns and try to adopt them. Often people dream big, but they do not understand where they stand at present and what changes they have to make to reach there. If you do not recognize the distance between your present and your goal, then you will never be able to move forward. How to understand that? Where are you right now? Analyze the key areas of your life: health, career, financial situation, personal development. Clearly decide where you want to reach. Identify your weaknesses and the habits that are holding you back. For example, if you want to become financially independent but today you are just able to meet the expenses, then you have to see what is the gap between you. Is it your lack of skills? Is it a problem with your financial management? Are you not looking for new opportunities? Unless you identify this gap, you will not be able to fill it. Think big, do big. This is not just a saying but a mindset. People who reach great heights see every challenge as an opportunity, but people with average thinking see challenges as problems and try to avoid them. How to change your mindset? Embrace adventure instead of fear. Whenever a challenge comes in front of you, see it as an exciting opportunity from which you can learn something new. Eliminate problem-based thinking. Train your mind in such a way that whenever you face an obstacle, you think, how can I solve it? I have to do this. I can do this. Develop more confidence and remind yourself again and again that you can achieve whatever you want. Develop resilience to reach success. You will have to fall many times, but only those who learn from failures and try again are the ones who win. Now, what do you have to do? Identify your current situation, raise your minimum standards and set a new standard. Understand the gap between your goal and current situation and make a plan to bridge it. Make it a habit to see every challenge as an opportunity. When you set a new standard for your life, your whole attitude changes. You stop being satisfied with small things and try to reach your full potential. This is the beginning of real success. Remember, average sucks. If you do not rise above average, you can never become extraordinary. Now the time has come to raise your standards and take your life to a new height. Chapter 4: Reprogramming your mind for success. Have you ever thought that whatever is happening in your life is the result of your thinking and the things you say to yourself? What you say, what you think, and what you tell yourself becomes your reality. If you keep filling your mind with negative thoughts, your life will be the same. But if you turn your thinking in the right direction, you can change your life completely. In this chapter, we will learn how your language and self-talk shape your reality. What small mental changes can make a big difference in your life and how you can program your mind for success with the help of daily positive thoughts and visualization. Whatever is happening in your life is a reflection of your thoughts and what you say. The words you use about yourself determine your direction and the results of your life. Wrong self-talk: I do not understand things quickly. I can never become rich. Good opportunities do not come to me. I am too lazy. Right self-talk for success: I can learn new things quickly. I have the full potential to become rich. Opportunities are everywhere. I just have to recognize them. I am a disciplined and hardworking person. Your mind works according to the way you talk to yourself. If you are a good person, then your mind works according to the way you talk to yourself. If you repeatedly tell yourself that you are not good at something, then your mind will believe it to be true and your performance will also be the same. But if you use positive words, then your mind will start behaving accordingly. Small mental changes can have a profound effect on your entire life. Some small changes can make you successful. Focus on the solution, not the problem. Average people say that this work is very difficult, I cannot do it. Successful people think that this is difficult but I have to find a solution to it. Whenever a problem arises, ask yourself, how can I solve it? Change from I should do to I will do it. If you say that I should wake up early in the morning, then your mind will not take it seriously. But if you say that I will wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, then your mind will take it as a solid decision and help you implement it. Turn failure into a learning opportunity. Average people fear failure and avoid it. Successful people consider failure as an opportunity to experience and learn. The next time something goes wrong, ask yourself, what did I learn from this? When you change your thinking process, you can also change the results of your life. Your mind is a person is like a sponge. Whatever you tell him repeatedly, he believes it to be true. Therefore, if you want to accelerate your success, you have to send the right messages to your mind. A. Positive thoughts. The power of daily affirmations. Affirmations are those positive sentences which, when repeated again and again, make your mind believe them to be true. Make a habit of saying these sentences to yourself every day. I am full of confidence and can handle every situation. I have immense potential and I am using them to the fullest. Success is my destiny and I am moving closer to it every day. I am a hardworking, disciplined and focused person. If you say these sentences daily, then within a few weeks you will feel the change within yourself. B. Visualization. Visualization. Visualizing your goal in your mind. Visualization means that you start seeing your success in your mind first. It has been scientifically proven that people who visualize their goals daily achieve them quickly. How to do visualization? Sit for 5 to 10 minutes every day and visualize your success. Close your eyes and think that you have already achieved your goal. Feel how you feel. Who are the people with you and what your life looks like? Visualize every little thing. Your voice. Your feelings. Your achievements. For example, if your goal is to build a successful business, imagine you are sitting in your office and signing big deals for your business. Imagine you have a great team. You are confident and experiencing success. When you repeat this process over and over again, your mind starts believing it to be true and your actions also start moving in that direction. What to do now? Pay attention to your words and self-talk. Make small mental changes. Focus on solutions, not problems. Think positively every day. Repeat affirmations. Visualize your success and feel it. If you reprogram your thinking, you can change your life completely. Remember, your mind is your biggest weapon. Use it in the right direction. Average success. So now it's time to program your mind for success and create the life you've always imagined. Chapter 5. The Power of Action and Momentum. Have you ever felt that you have great ideas, big dreams, but you are unable to turn them into reality? Many people dream of being successful in life, but they never take the first step. They keep thinking, planning, but when the time for real action comes, they stop. Action is the real magic. Your life changes when you turn your thoughts into action. In this chapter, we will understand why action is more important than thinking, how small steps can lead to big changes, and how you can improve yourself every day using the 1% rule. Why action is more powerful than thinking. Thinking is good, but nothing changes just by thinking. Many people keep thinking about their dreams day and night. They think they will start a great business, improve their fitness, learn new skills, or improve their financial condition, but they get stuck in the same problem. Overthinking is the disadvantage of overthinking. Thinking too much can lead to fear and doubt. People miss opportunities while waiting for the perfect time. So much time is spent in thinking that in the end nothing is done. Benefits of action. When you take any step, you get immediate feedback. Action gives you confidence. Small efforts together lead to big changes. Remember, there is no such thing as the right time. Whatever you want to do, you have to do it now. Many people think that success is a very big thing that has to be achieved overnight, but the truth is that success is the result of small steps. When you achieve small goals, they together lead to big changes. This is called the strategy of small wins. For example, if you want to be fit, start with 10 minutes of exercise every day instead of thinking of working out for 2 hours on the very first day. If you want to start a business, first find small customers and then slowly expand. If you want to write a book, write 200 words every day instead of trying to write the whole book in a single day. When you take small steps, you feel more productive and your momentum remains. When you take small steps, you feel more productive and your momentum remains. Gradually, these small victories together become a big success. Remember, every great journey begins with a small step. Have you ever thought that if you improve by just 1% every day, how much better you will become in a year? Mathematics says that if you improve by 1% every day, you can become 37 times better in a year. But if you get worse by 1% every day, your condition will become almost zero in a year. So do not underestimate the power of small improvements. How to apply the 1% rule? If you want to wake up early in the morning, instead of starting at 5 a.m., start waking up 5 to 10 minutes earlier every day. If you want to learn a new language, memorize 5 new words every day. If you want to read books, start reading 10 pages every day. Gradually, these small changes will become your habit, and in a few months you will find yourself completely changed. Remember, become 1% better every day, and after a year you will not be able to recognize yourself. Now what you have to do is stop thinking and start taking action. Set small goals and achieve them. Adopt the 1% rule and make yourself a little better every day. When you apply these principles in your life, if you do, success becomes not just a possibility but a guarantee. Remember, doing is more important than thinking, because average success, and if you do not take action, you will always remain where you are today. So take the first step today and take your life to new heights. Chapter 6: Communication and Influence. Have you ever felt that you are not able to put your point across properly, or whenever an important opportunity comes, you miss it due to your hesitation? If yes, then this chapter is for you. Your communication ability. Communication skills are one of the most important skills in your life, whether it is career, business, relationships, or any big opportunity. If you can communicate effectively and inspire people, then every door can open for you. In this chapter, we will understand how better communication can change your life, how to influence others in the right way, and how to overcome social fear and move ahead with confidence. If you learn to communicate in the right way, then you can achieve anything. Your knowledge and your talent will be useful only when you can use it to the world. Good communication skills are not limited to just talking, but it is an art that can give you unlimited opportunities in your career, business, and personal life. What are the benefits of better communication? You can present your ideas confidently. You can be influential in interviews, meetings, and public forums. You can build deep and strong relationships with people. You can influence investors, customers, and team to take your business forward. How to improve your communication skills? Listen carefully. Active listening is very important, not just speaking. Listening is also very important. Speak clearly and confidently. The clearer and more direct your message is, the more effective it will be. Use body language correctly. There should be confidence in the eyes. There should be correct movement of hands and a smile on the face. Use simple language. Use easy and effective words instead of difficult words. Remember that your conversation makes your identity. The more effectively you speak, the sooner you will be successful. Not just good conversation, but influencing and motivating others is also a big skill. If you can inspire people to agree with you, then you can take your life to a different level. Benefits of becoming influential in personal life: people will take you more seriously, your relationships will become stronger, you will be able to fulfill your wishes and dreams easily. Benefits of becoming influential in professional life: you can become a great leader, you can easily convince clients and investors, you can motivate your team and colleagues. How to become influential? Understand the needs of people. People will listen to you only when they feel that you understand their problems. Choose the right words, like "you should do this" instead of saying "if you do this, you will benefit a lot." Use stories. People are more influenced by stories than facts. Explain your point through stories. Praise others. Sincere praise attracts people towards you. Remember, the person who learns to influence others can achieve every goal in his life. Your biggest enemy is your fear, and especially the fear of people. Many times we are afraid to speak in front of others. If they make fun of me, if I say something wrong, if people start criticizing me, then this fear prevents us from moving forward. But remember, no one is born with confidence. It is a skill that can be developed. How to overcome social fear? Take advantage of small opportunities. Talk to at least one new person every day instead of thinking "what if?" Think "I have to do it." Do whatever you have to do first and then improve later. Work on your body language. Stand up straight. Have confidence in your eyes and smile openly. Do not be Afraid of making mistakes? The sooner you make mistakes, the sooner you will learn. Practice speaking. Practice in front of yourself or in front of a mirror. By taking small steps, you can completely eliminate your fear. Once you learn to communicate with confidence, your life starts changing. Remember, the art of talking to people and influencing them is the key to real success. Chapter 7. Setting and achievements are made and then left. The difference is only in one thing: those people set goals and adopt the right strategy to achieve them. If you want to make your life extraordinary, then you too will have to learn the art of setting big goals and achieving them. In this chapter, we will learn how to set such goals that excite and challenge you, how to achieve those big goals by breaking them into small steps, and how to hold yourself accountable. Many people make goals, but they are so small or normal that they do not have the passion to achieve them. If your goals do not scare you, then they are too small. What is a great goal? Clear. Make the goal so clear that you can imagine it. Measurable. You should know when you have achieved it. Exciting. A goal that makes you jump out of bed in the morning. Challenging. Easy goals do not take you forward, but difficult goals make you better. Time-bound. If the goal does not have a deadline, then it will remain just a dream. Wrong goal. I want to become fit. I want to earn money. Right goal. I will lose 10 kilograms of weight in the next 6 months. I will double my income in the next 1 year. Remember, do not think small, think big, because big goals make a big life. Many times we set big goals, but when it comes to achieving them, we get scared. We are not able to start thinking how such a big goal will be achieved, but the solution to this is to break your goal into small steps. Break it down. How to do it? Step 1. Break your goal into smaller parts. Example, I want to lose 10 kilograms in 6 months. Small steps. Lose 2 kilograms in the first month. Exercise for 30 minutes every day. Eat 200 fewer calories every day. Step 2. Take one small step every day. Working out for 30 minutes every day is a small but powerful step. Saving 0 every day is an easy way to increase your income. Step 3. Check off a step every time you complete it. Track each of your small goals and see if you are on the right track. Remember, big goals are achieved only by small steps. Chapter A. Building a high-performance lifestyle. To change our thinking and habits, we not only need a mental change, but we also need to create a lifestyle that helps us adopt and implement a new mindset. This lifestyle promotes high performance and contributes to long-term success. Here are some key points that we can follow to create a high-performance lifestyle. To create a high-performance lifestyle, it is important to first change your habits. Habits are an important part of our lives, and through these habits, we shape our success. Some habits help to improve your mindset. A good morning has an impact on the whole day. Preparing yourself before the start of the day, getting up on time and doing meditation or yoga to calm the mind is extremely beneficial for your mental health. Self-control is important for high performance. It brings stability in your habits and helps you to make continuous progress towards your goal. Physical health is directly related to mental health. Proper diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep help maintain your energy and mental clarity. The people around us have a profound impact on our success. If you want to adopt a high-performance lifestyle, then you should be surrounded by people who are inspiring, who think positively, and who understand your hard work and dedication. People who are constantly working for self-development can help in your development. They will keep motivating you, and whenever you fall down, they will work to lift you up. It is very important to create a positive support network. This network not only helps you in professional but also in personal life. Family and friends who respect your thoughts are very important for your mental health. Motivation plays a vital role in maintaining motivation. While adopting a high-performance lifestyle, maintaining motivation and avoiding burnout can be a challenge. Burnout occurs when you start working beyond your capacity due to excessive pressure or mental fatigue. Re-evaluate your goals from time to time. Are they right for you? Are you headed in the right direction? When you know your goal clearly, it becomes easier for you to stay motivated. Taking breaks is as important as working. Prioritize your physical and mental health. Take a day off in a week so that you can work again with freshness and energy. Focus on small steps instead of big goals and celebrate small victories. This not only keeps your mindset positive but also motivates you to move forward. In this way, when you shape your habits in the right direction, surround yourself with the right people and learn the art of living a balanced life while maintaining motivation, you can adopt a high-performance lifestyle that will make your path to success smooth and happy. Chapter 9. Never settle for less again. Our life is never static. It is a constant change and evolution. Once we start moving towards success, we should never be satisfied with less. If we want to live our lives at the highest level, we must always keep working towards growing, learning and knowing our purpose. Let us know how we can continue on this path and never be satisfied with less. To always move forward, first of all we have to develop a strong mindset for our development. This mindset believes that we always have the ability to learn and improve something new. There are some ways by which we can move on the path of continuous development. If we constantly do the same work that we already know, then our progress may stop. Challenge yourself in new areas. Face your fears and face new experiences. Every challenge is a new opportunity that will help us move forward. It is very important to reevaluate your experiences. When you understand your mistakes and successes, you can make better decisions and decide the direction of the next step. Set short and long-term goals. Review them from time to time and make an action plan to achieve them. When you remain committed to your goal, the process of development continues. Learning never stops to live a high-performance life. No matter how successful we become, it is important to adopt the process of learning throughout life. It not only increases our knowledge but also expands our perspective and thinking. Consider yourself a student, no matter what level you are at. Technical skills, personal development, or knowledge of a new language. New skills develop your thinking and give you opportunities to think in a new direction. Reading books, doing online courses or learning from others, all these keep us on the path of self-improvement. When we keep learning something new, our confidence increases and we can bring positive changes in life. Habits are an important part of our lifestyle. If we develop habits of good health, time management and self-control, it accelerates our journey of self-improvement. The biggest purpose of our life should be that we use our power properly and help in improving the lives of others. When we live our life with a purpose, not only do we get inner satisfaction but we can also become an inspiration for others. If we do not know what our purpose is, then we can never use our full potential. You can find the purpose of your life and work to achieve it. This purpose gives you direction and inspiration in life. When we inspire and help others, we not only bring a change in their life but also give a new direction to our life. Doing something good for others can become a part of our purpose. When you live your life with purpose, you can have a positive impact on the people around you. Your thoughts, actions and attitude will inspire others and this will create a wave that will inspire more and more people to live a better life. In this way, if we are never satisfied with less and keep moving in the direction of continuous development, then not only can we make our life better, but we can also bring positive change in the lives of others. By walking on the path of lifelong learning and self-improvement, we can achieve our purpose and become a source of inspiration. Friends, Average Success is a book that teaches us that until we do not expand our thinking, we will remain average in life. Being average not only stops our success but it also takes us away from our dreams. If you do not live your life with a purpose, then you will remain average. If you want to do something big, then you have to come out of the average and use your full potential. So friends, Are you ready to make your life extraordinary? If yes, then apply the learnings from this book in your life and know how you too can become a better person. So thank you so much to all of you for giving your precious time and love to our channel. We'll see you tomorrow with a new video.